Imagine waking up one morning to find that a single tweet, a single name, had turned a joke into a billion-dollar empire. That's exactly what happened with TrumpCoin. Some people became millionaires overnight, while others lost everything. If you had invested just $100 in Dogecoin at the right time, you could have made over $500,000. Now, a new meme coin is taking over, and it has the name of the most powerful man in American politics attached to it. Could TrumpCoin be the next Bitcoin-like revolution? Or is this just another scam waiting to implode? The truth behind this coin will shock you, and its implications for the future of America are even scarier. Because if what's happening behind the scenes is true, the US economy might never be the same again. Let's dive in. It started as a joke, just like Dogecoin, just like Shiba Inu. But unlike them, TrumpCoin had something they didn't. A name that could move global markets. Within hours of its launch, its market cap exploded from zero to billions. Investors poured in, desperate to get a piece of what could be the biggest meme coin ever. But here's the thing, Trump himself never confirmed or denied involvement. That didn't stop people from believing that this coin was the key to his financial empire. Unlike Bitcoin, TrumpCoin isn't some decentralized dream. It was built on Solana, a blockchain known for its speed and low fees. And guess who's behind it? The same team that launched Trump's NFTs. That's where things get interesting. Most of the TrumpCoin supply is locked up. For now. The creators hold a massive chunk, and over the next 36 months, they'll slowly unlock more tokens. If you think that's a fair system, think again. Because when one group controls the majority, they control everything. What if I told you that TrumpCoin might not be just a meme, but a carefully planned financial weapon? With Trump and his affiliates allegedly holding a major portion of the supply, this could be one of the biggest pump and dump schemes in history. If they sell off at peak price, small investors will be left holding worthless coins. Remember when Elon Musk's tweets made Dogecoin rise and crash? Imagine that power, but in the hands of a very former US president. Now here's where things take a turn that could affect the entire global economy. There's a bill being pushed to create a US strategic Bitcoin reserve, with Trump reportedly backing it. If this happens, America could acquire 1 million Bitcoin over 5 years, enough to send prices in soaring past $1 million per BTC SI. This isn't just about one meme coin anymore. This is about who controls the future of digital money. TrumpCoin could be a historic gold mines, or it could be a ticking time bomb. Either way, one thing is certain. The crypto space is no longer just a game. It's a battleground for sexy. Power, politics, and control. So, would you invest? Or is this just another scam disguised as a revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And remember, fortune favors the bold, but shoot never the reckless.